Yes, I am finally here at the abandoned Freddy Fazbear's. I want to destroy the animatronics. See them. I'm going through the door. Oh, it's already open. Yes. Now, yes, I am inside the restaurant. Yes! Okay, so you have Bunny and Freddy and Chica. And over here we have Foxy. Yes. I'm gonna hit you with my crowbar. Let me just whoop. Got your foot. Oh, look. His ear is burnt. Here, we'll stain them up. Psych. Throw them against the ground. Let's go over to our main pal, Freddy Fazbear. Huh. It looks like he's a little dumb today. Dumb. Give me that microphone now. Wait. And yes, I am a purple man. I have came back. See, I'm wearing a purple suit over my dead skeleton, but I'm not wearing pants. I am purple man. I am back. So I have a superpower so I can fly, yes. Yes. Throw the animatronics around. I'm just gonna throw you over there. Ha ha. Oh, poor Freddy. Poor Freddy. Ha. Ha ha. Ha ha ha. Oh. Ha ha ha. Poor Freddy. Ha. Ha. Freddy Fazbear, the main man himself. I am Purple Man. I will never forget what you did to me. I'll take it upon myself to damage you. I don't care how many animatronics I have to break. I am going to throw you. But, oops. I have magic powers, so it's kind of hard to control it, but let's go see Bonnie. We meet again, Bonnie. Bonnie. Oh, looks like you're strapped to that guitar. I'll take it to the kitchen. Little buddy. Here, let me see that guitar. Can't have it now. Whoa. Let's do some surgery on our good old buddy Bonnie boy. I'll just place this real quick. Place this right here real quick. Let me just. Okay, I'm going to just. I'm going to jab it through your chest. Yes. Yeah, he's dead. Well, time to take him back to the stage. Oh, Bonnie. I didn't know you would be the second one to visit. This tragedy. Here. Let me just sit right there. I'm gonna check on our little boy Freddy. Yes. I walk very slow because I'm very old, so that's why I haven't used my flying powers. Oh, poor Freddy. Look at poor Freddy. Oh God. Oh no, he's dead. Oh look, he's dead. Let's just go put him in the back real quick. Yeah, just put him where no one will find him. I remember the first time I did something like this. I actually sent the animatronics to the scrapyard, but I'm gonna keep these as my treasures forever. Go down there, little buddy. See you soon. Now I was repairing you. Let me see that. I'm going to open up your face. Well, I'm going to open up your face and damage your face. Make it look ugly. Yeah. Bonnie is dead. Like I said, he does look good, though. You down the left hallway where you originated from. Oh yes, I have a lot of superpowers, don't ask why. But I can zoom in on Bonnie Boy because I'm making a vlog right now. Yeah. Hey Bonnie, what you doing? I want to bring your little arm buddy with you. Buddy. You're ugly. Okay, yeah, he honestly actually looks dead. Well, you're supposed to be dead. Y'all guys go down there. You'll be known as a scrap. They'll wanted scraps. And actually, from now on, I'm gonna keep all my victims as keeping because I am the only one who has access to that room. So yes, I just shot you. Yes. Yes, I like you. Well, no, I hate you. Go out the window. I am about to throw you. Yes. Yes, Chica. Oh, looks like you lost your voice box. Oh, and your eye. Yeah, I could see that hole in your chest. Look at this voice box. Ooh, your eye. Oh, wait, that out here. I'll put it back inside. This is basically killing robots, which I want to kill the robots. I'm gonna throw you where Freddy was. Oh, no damage, huh? I'm gonna throw you out the party then. Oh, don't wanna budge, eh? Don't wanna budge, eh? I will make you go out the store. Yes. Chica. Foxy is the last one that I need to go. But your time now to go to the back room. You know what? I don't care. I'm just. Oh, I freaked that glitch. Well, it doesn't matter. Go down the stairs of shame. Last one, Foxy, which I'm gonna keep in his cove since he stays in there. Look into the light, blind your eyes. Yes, I think we're gonna have to take this one outside too. Oh yeah, I pretty much just forgot that this place is abandoned. So yes. I'm going to use my flying powers. I'm gonna take you off here. I'm gonna take you. And, like, I have a lot of powers. Like, I could literally freeze anything I want to. Like, watch this. Freeze. So I'm going to throw you off of this sign. Oh no, looks like a Foxy landed on his truck and broke in half. Get out of here. Nobody likes close. Foxy. Okay, yeah, he's definitely dead. He's ripped in half. His remains. time to walk out the door like nothing happened. Will the purple man ever solve something and it's destroying animatronics? You'll see in the next part. Dun, 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 dun.